Okay, so the last bit is when you need to stick the roof together. This part should be the thickest one, because they won't stand on their feet, so they should actually stand, they should stick together and then they should hold each other actually. That's why they must stuck really, really well together. Okay, and then just put it down for a while. Okay, and then I just put some honey here. I just don't want to ruin the pattern. Okay, you'll be very, very sticky by the end of this. Okay, now let's stick it together like that. So actually I put the honey at the edge of one and on the side of the other one. And this is the way how I'm going to stick it together. And I put it down here for a while. And I press them together. I should try to find the right edge. And then we should wait a little bit until it dries. The drying time depends on the honey, because there are some kinds of honey that dries slower, and some of them dries quite quickly. You can try it out. Maybe you can try it out before on a piece of dough or a piece of cake, and then you can try it on this one. So, but the roof must be really, really dry, otherwise it can make the whole house collapsed.